Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I am going to show you that how to fix this account is not allowed to use WhatsApp due to the spam error. So I will show you the 4 steps to solve this error. You have to just follow them step by step. First of all, you just need to tap and hold on your WhatsApp and then click on the app info. Here you have to just click on the storage and the cache and then click on the clear cache first and then click on the clear storage. Once you done, click on OK. After doing so, you have to just uninstall your WhatsApp. Once you done, you have to just click OK. So after uninstallation, you have to just wait for 10 to 15 minutes and again you have to just install it from your Play Store or App Store. Like I am searching here for my WhatsApp. So once you find, you have to just again install it. Now make sure that you have a stable internet connection while installing your WhatsApp. So once your installation is completed, you have to just open it. Once you open, you have to just find here's a step of the interface. Click on any of the language, then click on the next. Click on agree and the continue. And now you have to just verify your phone number, which is the most important step to solve your error. So I just put here my number. This is the most important step to verify your phone number, and when you put your phone number, you have to just click on the next. Note one thing, that when you put your phone number and then click on the next, you will find here that you must wait for 24 to 48 hours to get the verification code on your number. So you must wait for this time and you will get the verification code that you have to just put here and then click on the next. Once your number is verified, then you will be back to your WhatsApp after some processing. So the most important step is that you have to just clear your data and storage of your WhatsApp and then uninstall your WhatsApp and again install your WhatsApp and then verify your phone number and just wait for 24 to 48 hours, or maybe this time lasts for 72 hours or more than. So you must wait for some time, and after this you have to just verify your phone number and your problem will be fixed. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. For more information, visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. So leave a like and a comment for this video and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide. Thanks for watching.